Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Informant. I know you guys are eagerly waiting for IPL tickets, right? IPL 2025 is starting in no time, right? So you all are waiting for this. And I want to give a disclaimer before starting this video. This is not a spam video like other videos on YouTube, like they're posting previous year tickets, they're showing previous year information. So I'm going to give you a genuine update on IPL 2025 tickets, right? And if the teams have released the IPL tickets, where you can find them, if they have not yet released, what is the status, and each and every procedure I'm going to tell you. So please stay tuned till the end. Right. Before starting our today's video, like I would like to give update for our new viewers. So we make videos related to placement drives, sports, online services, travel, and many more. So please subscribe our channel before starting this video. So let's start our today's video. First of all, there is an update from Mumbai Indians. So good news for Mumbai Indians fans. So they have released tickets like pre-release the tickets only for gold, silver, and junior members. So if you are a Mumbai fan and you want this tickets very badly and you want it now itself, you don't want to risk. So you can go and purchase on BookMyShow. I'll show you the procedure how you can. Before that, you need to be a gold, silver, and junior member. So there are some eligibility requirement for this to become this. Like you need to pay certain amount. If I'm not wrong, around 2,200 for gold membership, around 600-700 for silver, and similar for junior, around 5 to 600. So there is a fee, and you get some merchandise of Mumbai Indians like their jersey or some other things. You can check it out on their website, and I'll be going to show you like how to book if you have this membership, how to book these tickets, and also teams like Rajasthan Royals, Lucknow, they have released their tickets. So I'm quickly gonna go to Book My Show and show you how to book these tickets. And tickets are available for Chennai Super Kings, CSK, and Royal Challengers Bangalore as well. So I'm going to show you that as well. Let's start our today's video. I'm going to search for Book My Show, and let us open Book My Show. So if you open Book My Show, you can go to the search bar and select for search for Mumbai Indians IPL 2025. As you can see over here, if you click on this, you can see over here, right? So check out this information. So phase one of tickets, it is going to end today. That is pre-sales for gold, silver, and junior members, right? It starts on 3rd of March and it will end today, 4th March, 4 p.m. That's why I'm giving you this update quickly. So pre-sales for Mumbai Indians Blue members and BMS registered users, right? For them, it is from 4 to 6 March, and for open for public for everyone to buy, it will open on 6th March, right? 6 p.m. I hope you are clear with the dates and you know where to find the tickets, right? So exclusive Mumbai Indian fan zones, you can check it out. So if you get this, if you get into this, you'll get all these goodies, free T-shirt on every ticket. So for this Sachin Tendulkar's stand, you can get all these things, right? You can check this out. I hope I'm clear. And good news is for pre-booking, as you can see over here, Mumbai Indians and CSK tickets are available. Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Titans, Delhi Capitals, RCB. If I click on this, you can see you can book these tickets. There is time you can book. If CSK tickets get sold out everywhere, like each and every city, CSK tickets get sold out very soon, and even RCB tickets also get sold out very soon. So what I suggest is you can find these tickets much cheaper in Mumbai. Like whenever there is a MI CSK match in Mumbai, you can get this ticket for around 1,000 or around 1,500 or 700 also. But that same ticket, if you buy in Chennai, it will cost you more than 2,000. Same goes with RCB as well. If you buy these tickets in Chinnaswamy, in the hometown of RCB, it will cost you much more. Base price itself will be 2.5, 3.5, right? Whereas if you go to other cities due to less demand, you can get it for less price, right? If you're a group of many members, if you're a large group, then you can go to Mumbai as well. Like it will be like experiencing a new city. I have done that, so you can also do that, right? So next, after Mumbai Indians, I will update you on Rajasthan Royals. I found an update on them as well. If you can see over here. Yeah, Rajasthan Royals and CSK. Again, CSK tickets for RR is also available. I'll not log in. And as you can see, all the base tickets have been sold out. Now 7,500 tickets are remaining. So they have started their ticket booking. So RR, and another update is on Lucknow, same in same website as you can see in same BookMyShow you can find. So Lucknow versus Punjab, the first match ticket they have released. So totally for RR two matches, RR versus KKR, RR versus CSK. These two matches tickets are available. And for Lucknow, one match ticket is available currently, Lucknow versus Punjab. And currently till now there is no update of CSK home ground tickets Chidambaram Stadium and RCB home ground tickets M Chinnaswamy Stadium. There is no update. They have not yet released, but they'll be releasing anytime soon. So for that, you need to subscribe our channel, right? Subscribe, and we'll be the first one to give you the update how to book if they have released the RCB and CSK home match tickets. But till now, these three teams have released their tickets: Mumbai, Lucknow, and RR. And further, many teams will be releasing, and RCB might release their tickets on their official site. Even CSK, they don't go with BookMyShow generally. But wherever they release, we'll let you know, right? Let you know the update, how to buy the tickets, what time they'll release, everything. So please stay tuned. If you like our content, please share with all your friends who watch IPL. Thank you for watching our today's video.